Cryptocurrency markets are not looking so good right now. As we know, with all the bearish sentiment, there are still some projects who might shine on their own. Here is the Being Crypto's low market cap gems for June 2021. So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at Ellipsis, Luxo, LockTrip, and Centrality. Welcome back to Being Crypto, guys. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and help support the channel grow. Now, as you can tell, I'm on the road today, so this video is going to be a little bit different with a voiceover. Let me know how you find it in the comments. So starting off, we have Ellipsis Finance, which is an authorized fork of Curve Finance, which we've covered in previous videos, and it's an efficient automated market maker for stable coins. Now, the beauty of Ellipsis Finance is that there is no deposit or withdrawal fees and no lockups on liquidity, which makes it really extremely attractive for liquidity providers. Now, the EPS token itself is the value capturing token within the Ellipsis protocol. Now, it can be staked to receive a portion of trade fees, which will be generated when the users perform exchanges. So EPS itself is actually distributed as an incentive to liquidity providers in a process that's commonly known as liquidity mining. So let's look at where we're at with the project currently. And currently it's looking pretty impressive. It has over $3 billion in total deposits and has distributed over $1.1 million in fees to EPS holders, which is a very impressive feat for something that launched just a month ago. So the EPS chart, which I'm showing you on the screen, is the main reason it attracted our attention. The last several days have seen the price double, and if the $1.58 level is broken, we could see another 100% jump to levels from the start of May, which is why we were bringing it to you as number one today. Now let's get into number two, which is Luxo, which is a multiverse blockchain network where the worlds of fashion, gaming, design, and social media really intersect. So Luxo focuses on bringing blockchain to the masses through its smart contract-based projects, industry evolving and also standard processes, and as an innovative new direction to decentralized applications. So this is the blockchain for new digital lifestyle, and it was created by a former developer for Ethereum, Fabian Vogel-Steller, who's the author of ERC20 and also ERC725, which is an impressive background for anyone looking to get involved in the project. Now let's take a look at the charts here, which is always such a critical point when looking at these alts. The chart is actually up 30% in the last week alone and could be making a breakout while we're recording this video. It's moving really quick, as you guys can tell. So if it manages to break the downtrend, as you can see marked with the red arrow on the screen, yeah, that one right there, then we could see a significant move upwards for June for this low cap gem. Now let's take a look at our next altcoin for June. LockTrip.com is a blockchain-based travel marketplace that allows users to save up to 60% on their bookings by cutting out the middlemen and their commissions. And the world is starting to pick up again. Travel is back on. Let's take a look at why it's interesting to you. So this project is possible to choose various payment methods such as credit cards, popular crypto, and the native Ellipsis token to bypass payment fees. LockTrip's stated mission is actually to make travel more accessible by bringing down prices for the average user. LockTrip's business model actually funnels the entire economy through the LOC token, and each booking made on the marketplace results in 3% of the booking value being used to buy lock from exchanges and burn them. Now the chart that I'm showing you here shows a stable uptrend, which was recently confirmed with the higher low level about 10 days ago, and the price did drop in line with the big boys, but it's definitely recovering slightly faster than the main low cap gems. And finally, for today, we have Centrality. So CenNet is a public blockchain network that powers decentralized applications and the cryptocurrency Cen and CPay. The core mission of this project is an interesting one. It provides users with a first experience for both dApp developers and also their end users. Centrality is a really fast-growing platform with over 250,000 active users. Now, what makes this project so interesting is they have just launched an NFT module, and it seems there's increased optimism for its growth prospects. They've mentioned in the picture on the screen that it does feature some key characteristics which are really important for cryptocurrencies, particularly altcoins, such as, you've guessed it, cheap gas fees and low energy impact. Huge talking points right now in the space. Now the chart that I'm showing you on the screen now actually reflects this, and it's the reason why we've included this altcoin in our low cap gems for June, and it's breaking through a critical level right now at 85 cents. This comes after a 65% run up in last week. So it's perfectly poised to grow in June and definitely one to watch. Now, if you are looking to get started with any of the altcoins we discussed today and more, you can trade top cryptocurrency futures or hold them on StormGame, which is our partner cryptocurrency exchange here at Being Crypto. The link is down in the description box below, and you may get a cashback promo on your very first deposit. Well guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. I'd love to hear how you found this segment. Share your thoughts with us in the comments and let us know which of the altcoins that we mentioned today will be the one that has got your attention the most. Don't forget to subscribe. As always, we bring you content like this every Tuesday and every Thursday.